Hey guys, this is Alicia here, coming in really quick. I want to take you through a walkthrough on the Uber app on doing safety checkup, making sure that you do have everything in order that's going to be conducive to your traveling safely as a solo traveler or just any traveler utilizing Uber. They do have it very easy in the app where you could just go ahead and do a safety checkup. The first section is safety help. It shows you where in the app that you can quickly access assistance as well as report issues in the app. The second one is where you could do audio recording. That's the symbol that's there. And then it also tells you that you do have to send that to them. Now, what you do have to have your mic activated for that to work. The next thing is trusted contact. As you see, I don't have that checked because if I did, you would see all of my contact information. So you would just hit add contact and press the little man in the corner with the plus sign on him and then add the information and save it. And the next thing, which is my favorite feature of the Uber app, is the PIN verification. I know you all have heard the stories that I've told about people getting into the wrong Uber, including my own, where I have done that before. Noticed very quickly that I was in the wrong Uber, but everyone doesn't. And so with that, this PIN feature kind of helps you be in a situation to where there's an extra measure of security. When you utilize this feature, you're going to get a 4-digit code on the face of your phone once your ride arrives. Once they arrive, they will also have a 4-digit space to enter the code. The codes must align in order for the driver to get the directions to where you are going to be traveling. If they do not align, then you are more than likely in the wrong cab or Uber here. Now, with that, I do want to also show you an additional feature that you can enable, which is called the RideCheck. This is where you turn it on, and if for any reason your ride detours off route, you're going to be able to communicate with Uber through a RideCheck. With those notifications, they're going to make sure that you're aware of what's going on because sometimes routes do change. Let's just say if there was an immediate accident that hasn't updated in the app or in GPS, then your driver may deviate. And in those cases, if you're aware, you would just let them know that you're aware. If you're unaware, then of course there may be a problem and they will help you get that addressed. Now, the last thing that's here is just an overview of their safety standards. But one thing I want to show you, and I have to go to my main screen to show you. Do you notice anything odd about my name there, about my picture there? Well, it's by design. I do not add my picture into the app, nor does my husband, and we share an account, which is why our name is Brian or Alicia, because sometimes it may be Brian and Alicia. But I do not notify anyone that I am showing up to Uber solo. So what I do is I have no picture and I have 2 names in the app. With that being the case, that does provide me with just a little bit of security. Then you couple that with the PIN verification and the rider check. It puts me in a situation where I am very much so comfortable with utilizing this service. Now, that is the gist of setting up the safety settings in your Uber app. If you have any questions, you can visit the Uber sites where they do have some additional information about utilizing their service. But of course, do just follow these instructions and have a safe trip. Bye for now.